Hi, my name is Keith and welcome to my second YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube by making videos without showing your face. So the method I'm going to show you is not about getting other people's video content and post them on your YouTube channel and make money. No, that's totally bad and it's different. You're not going to be copying other people's videos and uploading. So the way I'm going to show you is a unique way and fast way of making money on YouTube without having to record yourself, without having to use your voice, without having to use your time to make the videos. So as you might notice, as for me, almost all my videos on this channel, there's no my face and there's no my voice, and people do really watch them and they do really get views. And on my other many channel, which has got more than 9,000 subscribers, also most of the videos there have no my face and have no my voice, and I've been making money from there since that channel is already monetized, and soon this channel will as well get monetized and you'll be able to make money from my videos where my face does not appear. So how do you make those type of videos? So lucky for you, I've got a playlist on my main YouTube channel. It's called how to make YouTube videos without showing your face. So in the first video, I showed you on a tool or a website called Videofy. So Videofy is a website where you just paste in content and it converts that content into videos and it adds its voice. You can choose either male voice or a female voice, a European voice, an American voice, or a British voice. You can do all that. So you can just have to watch that video and understand better. Okay. So, but the content you have to make, you don't have to start copying other people's content and paste and generate a video. You have to write your unique content and convert them into posts or into videos and upload. Okay, so in the same playlist, you'll learn how to create videos that showing your face. Okay, so these two can generate videos in within 5 minutes. Your video will be done and you'll be able to upload. All you have to do is generate, upload, share links, get views, and so on. From that, I've also shown you how you can optimize your videos for search engines, because we don't want to create the videos for ourselves. We want people to watch the videos. So I've also made the video on how you can optimize your videos so that they can rank in Google search, also on YouTube search. Okay, I've also made another video called the YouTube algorithm. This is where I explain what it takes for YouTube to start promoting your videos. Okay, so in this playlist I also said that you do not have to worry even if you have got 10 subscribers, 20 subscribers, even if you're not monetized. I also showed you how you can actually make money even when you're not monetized. Even when you have 50 subscribers, you'll be able to also to make money out of your videos through affiliate marketing. And through affiliate marketing, I showed you how I made $400 through affiliate marketing with one video. So this is more than how much I've made since I got monetized on YouTube. Okay, so everything is there in this playlist. You're going to learn everything you need to know. Okay, so I also made the video about how much YouTube pays me in Zambia. If you'd like to know if YouTube is profitable in Zambia or if it's something we would want to do, you should also watch the video on how much YouTube pays me in Zambia. I also made a comparison about blogging versus YouTube, which one is better, which one pays more. Should also definitely watch it. It's on my main channel. Okay, and the last video I made, okay, this Videofy software is not free. So to generate videos you need to pay a subscription of about $35 or so. I think $35 is more like $800 per month or so. So in case you can't manage to pay $800 per month, look for other people who are interested in making videos and put mine together and get one account, pay for it, and generate videos. Remember, you can generate unlimited videos, so you can all generate videos and upload. If there's no one interested in that but you really want to make videos for YouTube without showing your face, I also created a video how to create your own human-like text-to-speech software. So for this you need a laptop, some coding skills, and again you need to have video editing skills, how to add clips, the hard disk. And for this one, it's going to be taking you more than 3 hours to make a video. But when you're using the website called Videofy, you'll be able to generate a video within 5 minutes. You'll be able to upload and make money. So the link to this playlist is in the description. Make sure that you like it or you watch it and then more. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, If you have any other questions, feel free to comment. I read and reply to all comments within an hour. If you'd like to keep on receiving this type of videos, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.